as an affiliate marketer how to get bonuses so that people should learn from you, people should buy from you. See, as you can see in this industry, people, they're just picking one product and they're just spamming everywhere. They're just posting the same thing again and again, and then everyone is doing same thing. And if you're watching this video, that means you have to be different. You don't want to be like everyone else, like where people are fighting and where people are trying to make some few income, and you don't want to be like that. And that's why you're watching this video. So I have to tell you that you are in the right video, and I'm going to tell you that how by creating bonuses you can become unique in your own field. If there are thousands of people promoting that same program, but why and how much you going to buy from you only? Because you are getting more value, more knowledge, and more things from that one program. So if let's say I'm promoting this one program and there are thousands of people promoting the same program, but they are able to learn from me because I'm giving them such a irresistible offer, and I'm getting so much amazing bonuses so that they want to learn from me and they want to buy from me. And how you will create that, I'm going to talk about all those things in this video. So guys, if you're watching this video, then hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss my any video. And I always create this kind of content on affiliate marketing, online business, and I try my best to provide value and so that you can apply that knowledge and get result from that knowledge. So now let's talk about like how to get bonuses. See, before thinking about how to get bonuses, let's talk about why you have to create bonuses. See, as you can see, let's say there are people just picking one product and they started promoting, they started spamming everywhere, and they're not doing different anything. Like thousands of people are doing the same thing. Then how you have to become unique in that? See, the reason of creating bonuses is you have to be unique. You have to if people say, let's say if 1,000 people are promoting the same program, you have to, and you also promoting the same program, then how you can become unique from that 1,000 people, and how you can create that is through bonuses. You have to feel like people should feel like your customer should feel like, if I'm going to buy from this person but with the same amount, or let's say if you are charging more money, they are ready to pay you because you are giving them more knowledge, more value, and more things than only just a program. So now let's talk about how to create bonuses. Okay, just think about promoting, let's say some program, okay, some DJ courses you're promoting, right? So you have gone through that courses, right? And I will say that you have to go through that courses. If you're promoting something which you have not gone through, that is not the right way of promoting. You have to be the first customer of your product. So let's say you have gone through that program, and there might be a case where you have faced some challenges while going through that program. Means you have some, like you have not learned something, and you have not understand something. So these are the things you have experienced, right? So you have to understand, okay, these are the problem I'm facing, and these are the problem people might face in the future if they are going through this program. You have to create bonuses about that topic. You can create some video content or some knowledge video or something you can give to them as a free bonuses so that they can buy from you. Or just think about, let's say, let me give you some very simple example. Okay, let's say example of this phone. Okay, this is like a 15,000 rupees phone, and just think about thousands of people promoting the same phone. 50,000 rupees, same price. Everyone is like promoting the same thing. So let's say if I'm promoting the same phone, then how should I become unique, and what should I do so that people should buy from me? Then what I'm going to do is, first of all, yes, if you're going to pay, then you will get benefit from this program, and you will get some huge space in this phone, and you will get some good quality video camera and everything. And what are the benefit of feature? And there are so many features in this mobile, and these are the benefit you will get from this this phone. But what happened after that? People started using this phone, they will start facing some problems, because you have to understand that every product solve some problem and create some problem. This is what you have to understand. And if people are buying that phone, means these are the problems they are getting solved. But after what? After people started using phone, and what are the problems they are facing? So let's say they are facing temper glass. If you bought it like within 6 months or 1 year, temper glass, their temper glass was broken. So what you are giving? You are giving some services like temper glass repairing, or let's say if some feature or something happened to this phone, are you going to you going to repair those things? And for like 1 year, or depending on your service, and you are going to charge more money. Means you are charging 18,000 rupees. People are selling this for 15,000. You are selling this phone for 18,000. And let me tell you one thing: people are ready to buy from you because people are ready to pay a little bit more money because they don't want that mental stress. Let's think about Ola, Uber, this kind of things, and whatever things. If you just think about your whole life, what other people are doing, they are making your life easier by what? By charging more money a little bit. That's it. What you are doing, you are also doing the same thing. Means when people buy this program, when they were going to buy this product, after using this product, they are getting some problem, and these are the problems you are going to solve, and this is why you are getting. That's why you are going to charge more money. And there are other way of creating bonuses. How? So just think about, before going to affiliate marketing, or let's say you have gone to the affiliate marketing, but you have invested on some different mentors, you have learned something different things. Now what you have to do is, if let's say think about, you have learned something from this person, you have learned something from this person, and you have learned something from this person. You have to think about, okay, what are the important things that can, just those things and create in a such a way that I can deliver to you, like people who are ready to buy from you. Think about this and just deliver that, create bonuses on those topics. And this is how you can provide more value, because they are not ready to pay that much amount of money on different people. So what you are doing, you are just giving all the knowledge, what are the things you have learned by investing so much amount of money in so much less price. If you will able to make them realize, okay, I have invested this much amount of money, I have learned so many things, and I am going to give all the proper structure, all the knowledge in a very cheaper price, they are ready to buy from you. And this is how you can going to separate yourself from the market. Now they will see you as a person who is not just only promoting product, who is also giving more value than whatever things you have learned. You are telling me more than what I'm just paying. If let's say I'm paying $200 or $300, I'm getting value of more than $500 or $1,000. And when you're able to understand them, what are the power of your bonuses. Now what you have did, you have separated yourself from the crowd, like crowd where people are fighting, you are not fighting. You have created in a such a way bonus that people are coming to you and they're just ready to learn from you. You are not just even fighting to get customer. You are not forcing anyone to join. Just people are coming and they are seeing their value, whatever the value of providing and result, and they are ready to learn. So this is how, and these are the logic behind creating bonuses as an affiliate marketer. Think about what are the problem people are going to face after buying this program, and create bonuses on that, or whatever the things you have learned, create bonuses on that. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope you like this video, and let me know in the comment section what are the things you have learned and what are the ways of creating bonuses. If you have more idea, just type in the comment section so that other people also read, and also they will get some knowledge about how to create bonuses. So this is how you can create bonuses, and this is how you can become unique in your own marketplace by creating bonuses in a different way. So guys, that's all in this video, and let's meet in the next video, and I'm going to try my best to solve your problem and provide as much as value I can. Okay.